Hi friends, it's Mia here. Welcome back to Let's Draw and Learn. Today we're drawing Bluey as a police officer. In this video, it's all about safe car rides and smart choices. Grab your crayons and paper. Let's draw together. Are you ready? Let's go! And if you love drawing and smart stories, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Let me tell you about Bluey's big day. Bluey is playing police officer, and she has a very important job – car safety helper. Her mission is to make sure everyone rides safely. That means 3 big things: sit in the back seat, buckle up every time, and use a calm voice so the driver can focus. Bluey says, "Click before we roll." That click is your seatbelt latch. When you hear it, it means the belt is locked. It goes across your chest and hips so it can give you a big hug if the car stops fast. And guess what? Kids ride in the back seat because it's the safest spot. It's like a cozy nest where the seatbelt and booster can fit just right. A grown-up will help you check if you're big enough for a seatbelt alone or if you still need a booster. And here's another smart tip from Officer Bluey. Keep toys in a bag, not loose in your lap. If the car stops, loose toys can go boing, and that's not safe. So Bluey says, toys in the bag, hands in your lap, and eyes on your book or the view. That way, everyone can enjoy the ride. Now let's imagine a funny pretend scene. Bluey, wearing her shiny pretend badge, is doing a safety check before the family goes to the playground. She blows her tiny whistle. Peep! Freeze, she says. Safety patrol. Dad reaches for the keys, but Bluey says, not yet. Seatbelt check. Bingo clicks her buckle. Click. Mom clicks. Click. Dad clicks. Click. Then Bluey spots a wiggly backpack on the seat. Aha! Backpack! You go under the seat or on the floor. She taps her badge and says, all ready. Guess what happens when Dad tries to open the car door in a busy parking lot? You won't believe it. Bluey holds up her paw and says, door check. Look for cars, then open slowly. What do you think Bluey would do next? Would she give her dad a safety star sticker? If you think that's super clever, give this video a big like. Okay, time for some fun facts, officer friends. Keep drawing and coloring with me. The final picture will wow you. Fun fact 1. Seatbelts are superheroes in disguise. They work in 1 second. A quick click, and they help you stay safe the whole ride. That tiny click does a big job. Fun fact 2. The back seat is the kid zone. Most kids ride in the back until they're big enough for the seatbelt to fit perfectly. A grown-up will help check. If the seatbelt is across your shoulder and chest, not your neck, and flat across your hips, not your tummy, that's a great fit. Fun fact 3. Calm voices help drivers. When the car is moving, use a calm voice and quiet hands. We don't want to distract the driver. Bluey calls it her smooth ride rule. Smooth voices, smooth driving. But that's not all. Officer Bluey has parking lot rules too. Cars can be quiet and quick, so we use walking feet. Hold a grown-up's hand and look left, right, left before crossing. If there's a crosswalk, we use it. If a car is backing up, we stop and wait. Bluey says eyes up, hands held, walk safe. And there's more. Doors and windows can pinch. So Bluey's rule is keep hands, paws, and toys inside the car at all times. And don't unbuckle until the car is parked and a grown-up says, all done. When it's time to get out, step on the sidewalk side if you can. Here's a quick game you can remember. Bluey's 3 B's. Back seat, buckle up, be calm. Say it with me. Back seat, buckle up, be calm. Nice job. Oh, and one more fun number. Did you know most car trips are short, like just a few minutes? Even short rides need seatbelts. Bluey says, every trip, every time. Yes, click, click, hooray! You're doing amazing. Keep drawing and coloring with me. We're almost finished, and our Bluey police officer is going to look extra brave and kind with that badge. The final image will make you say, wow. Time for a quick pretend call on Bluey's radio. Beep, beep. We have a loose water bottle in row 2. Bluey answers, on my way. She places it in a cup holder and gives a thumbs up. Safety star for you. See? Small fixes make big safety. You did amazing! Today we drew Bluey as a police officer and learned 3 key lessons. Ride in the back seat, buckle up every time, and use calm voices so the driver can focus. We also learned to hold hands in parking lots and keep hands inside the car. And if you love smart stories and art, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video on Let's Draw and Learn. See you next time, friends! Bye!